Yes, bro. Yo. I'm a GoPro action runner. Beautiful. Yes, let's go. On the hero. Hello. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Yo, you got that for sure, bro. Oh, damn. That's lovely. Go home.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Inside each other.
That's the future right there. That's the future. You're looking at the past. That's the future. 8 no excuses if possible. Oh, he's trying to dial on it. give it a prep.
Yep.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Just take off and scary too.
Way scarier. More risk. There's less risk. Easy. Good. Oh, way better. Yeah, legit, dude. You're going backwards. A bit more sketchy. I think that's a bit more power. Yep.
Dude, it's so chill.
Yep. That was nearly a step down. Are you all good?
Yeah. I've just landed, just perfect chill sit.
Alright, good. Another day here at AAPES. I haven't filmed much this week just because I've been working. I'm going to Sydney in a couple of days, so you guys will see that soon. Meantime, just chilling here at the gym. So let's see what's going on. Return guest. Let's go, G. What up? Alright, let go. How progression works, bro. Casual. Way better. Way better. And understanding more. Yo!
Okay. Oh.
That's too good. That's kind of cool.
That was different.
Nice. That was smooth. Oh, that's way good though.
I did a longer step out of the same. So I need to be over here.
Yeah.
So I do a step.
Yeah, that's good.
That's
Yep.
so weird.
That's
So
2, 1, go. Yeah, cool.
I need to do that to my feet.
1, go. Closer.
Bro, I have my feet down.
Sorry, that was me, good energy.
Ready, go.
3, 2,
Wait, no.
1.
Look behind me.
Yeah.
It's like I always do it, and then if I don't, I freak out. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. How did that feel? Go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, that was way better.
That was both.
2, 1, go.
I just looked around.
2, 1, go. Another 2, 1, go. Cool. 3, 2, 1, go. Good. How that one? Good. All good? Three, two, one, go. You prep now. 3, 2, 1, go. Yep. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, go. Yeah. Okay. 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. That looks like a bank. Jim, 2, super sketchy, with a woman known looks like. It doesn't. There was a block there though. Oh, you got that. Yeah. No, for your mind. Let's go! Yep, rolling. Okay. Yep, rolling.
Go on, cunt. What?
Caleb do the double drop in the back.
The gargoyle? Yeah, he does it when we go climbing all the time.
Because everyone had to stage in goal kit so they can do it. Fuck yeah. Yeah, fuck yeah.
Try it up front again, but try to pop out.
There are like if you have like the pride shirts, like opposite. I was just thinking, just do it the 50.
Oh my god.